An American president with Irish roots? Well, it's not unheard of, with the likes of Kennedy, Reagan, both Bushes, Obama, Carter, with many others counting among the sons of Ireland. None, however, have roots quite like President Joe Biden. One branch of his family, the Finnegans, hail from County Louth on the east coast of Ireland. The other branch, the Blewitts, come from Mayo on the west coast. Not to be left out, folk from Derry reckon he has roots to Northern Ireland, and they've been digging. Our history expert Turtle visited students at Lumen Christi College in Derry City. They've been on a mission to find solid evidence Joe Biden had family links with the northern part of Ireland, specifically County Derry.
We found that his original ancestry came from Carlingford in County Louth here, and that was Owen Finnegan and Jane Finnegan. They were the original ancestry that immigrated, and they went to New York.
Wow.
And their ships left, coincidentally, around the same time as Barack Obama's ancestors.
Really?
And it's believed that they were both in the shoemaking industry in Ireland, so I suppose that's interesting how the links.
So, James Finnegan here, who's Joe Biden's great-grandfather, a blind musician.
Yes, he's a blind fiddler, and he actually left his violin back down to his son Ambrose after his death.
Goodness me. And do we know where the violin is now?
No, we didn't trace it back.
Okay,
Maybe
well,
it could be in the White
we'll
House.
have to put in the call to the White House, exactly. So Finnegan, it's a strong northwest name, and I know you were trying to find a Derry connection to him. How did you get on?
We weren't able to find any traces of Derry yet.
Okay, so the earliest connection you have is Jane Finnegan.
Yes, from County Louth and County Mayo we got to in Ireland, but not Derry yet.
Not Derry yet.
Yeah, he even classifies himself as a Derry man as well, but we can't find any links, but maybe he's got confused. I don't know.
Okay, so Joe Biden, but he still could be from Derry if we could maybe find some further clues.
The search continues to find Derry connections to President Joe Biden. What's not in doubt is that in their quest to prove the link, they have caught the genealogy bug.